You searched how to buy shares of Robertet SA. Robertet is a French company focused on natural fragrance and flavor ingredients, listed on Euronext under the ticker RBT.PA. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker account. I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker RBT.PA to locate the listing. Confirm you have selected the Robertet SA share on Euronext to avoid confusing similar names. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the correct stock. Check the exchange and ticker shown to ensure it matches RBT.PA. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session. If funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming the purchase. Once executed or queued, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to the platform is available in the description below.